Hey guys, this is Luana and I'm going to show you two really cool things in this video. The main one is going to be a tool that you can use if you have an iPhone or an iPad and possibly an Android. I just haven't tried it on an Android, to communicate with parents that you find that there are language barriers that you need to talk about student outcomes with, or behavior concerns, or just celebrations. A lot of times you struggle because there is a language barrier, but there are things that you want to say or that the parent needs to say to us. So David actually showed this to me and I want to share it with you because it's super easy and it's so helpful. So you may already know about it, but Google Translate, of course, and I'm just pulling down, it looks like this little guy right here. Google Translate right there. It's an app you can get at the App Store for iPhone or iPad. It's not available on the MacBook, but iPhone or iPad will work. And you just need one for multiple people to be able to have a conversation. So I'm going to tap on Translate. Now notice you have a lot of options here. I can take a picture of something to translate, which is really cool, a document. I could do, so this is a good thing to try out too if you need to translate a document. Handwriting will be translated. Conversation is where we're going to hang out, and then of course voice. We have English to Spanish. Now I could change those if I'm in a different country and I need help with translation into a different language, but Spanish is typically the language that we're trying to work with in our region. So and understand and be understood. So with that, all I have to do is tap. I'm just going to tap on this conversation button. So when I tap there, I'm going to say good morning.
Voy a decir buenos días.
Now notice the button. I'm going to tap the mic again. I am so glad that you're here in my classroom today.
Estoy muy contento de que estés aquí en mi salón de clases hoy.
Now I'm going to pause the mic.
Una positivo mi.
Now the mic will continue to come on. It's pretty intuitive unless you tap it to pause it. But what I want you to also see when I tap the mic is my poor rendition of trying to speak in Spanish. It will take, I don't have to tap anything different. It will recognize that I'm speaking in Spanish and translate it to English. So that is where the conversation piece comes in. So I'm going to tap the mic. Hola.
Hi.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
¿Cómo estás?
How is it going?
Now notice there was one phrase in there that it didn't translate, but for the most part, I think that was probably my accent. So I'm going to try one more Spanish phrase to see how that works for so you guys can see it. ¿Cómo está usted?
How are you?
So there you go. You can see how that would be a really great, easy way to have a conversation with a parent. It just goes back and forth. So I hope maybe that's helpful. One other thing I want to show you on your iPad specifically, if you've got an iPad, I'm going to pull down from my right hand corner and notice that I have this menu. That red dot with the circle around it is a way that you can record your screen, and I just tapped on it before I began. And so if you're needing to get something from your iPad, you want to demo the way a student needs to maneuver within their iPad, that is a super easy tool you can use that I don't know that we've shown you before. You just tap it and it starts recording when it's red. Now to turn the mic on, I had to hold it down and I turned the mic on right there. So you can see it's off naturally, but when the red dot is pulsating, you can tell that it's actually recording. So I'm going to tap the screen again, tap my home button, and this red dot up here in the top. That's all I have to tap to stop the recording, and it's going to save it automatically into my photos as a video. So let me know what questions or help that you need.